Today we're going over some examples of problems and exercises that you might encounter from the topics discussed in Unit 2. Feel free to pause the video at any time. You can find the answers to these questions at the website nocollegeneeded.org under Solutions to Unit 2 Problems and Exercises. In Unit 2.2, Atomic Structure, number 1, hydrogen has 1 proton and 0 neutrons. Deuterium has 1 proton and 1 neutron. Tritium has 1 proton and 2 neutrons. They are called blank of each other. Number 2, how do you find the atomic number of an element? Unit 2.3, Atomic Weights. How do you calculate the atomic mass of chlorine? Unit 2.4, the periodic table. Number 1, how many electron shells does the first row in the periodic table have? Number 2, as you go from left to right, group or column to the next group or column, what changes? Number 3, how many protons, electrons, and electron shells does boron have? Unit 2.5, molecules. How many electrons are in the 3 bonds from the hydrogen to the nitrogen in ammonia? Unit 2.6, ions. Number 1, how many electrons will sulfur gain or lose to form its ion? Number 2, write the molecular formula of the ionic compound calcium and fluorine will form. Unit 2.7, naming molecules. Number 1, what are the names of the zinc plus and the zinc 2 plus cations? Unit 2.8, organic compounds. What functional group has at least 1 double bonded carbon and hydrogens? Number 2, what functional group does the following molecule belong to?
Thank you so much for spending your valuable time learning and bettering yourself. If you like the video and want to learn more, donate, or get tutoring, please check out my website, nocollegeneeded.org. You can use the code NCN for 20% off tutoring and any supplemental material.